So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And now once you're on this, you want to type in chkdsk space c:// space /f space /r, and then click on enter. And now once this comes up, you want to type in y and then click on enter again. Next, you want to restart your computer, but keep on watching the video. So now I'm going to restart my computer, keep on watching. And now as the computer is turning on, it's going to be saying to skip this checking, press any key. Do not press any key. You do not want to press any key. Now the scan will start running. Once you complete the scan, it will take you back into Windows and then the problem should be fixed. If they're still not working, then it could be a problem with your RAM. So you can take out your RAM and then put it back in again, and make sure that it's properly connected in your motherboard. Make sure that your RAM is properly connected to your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.